political angle in this. Already the minister, the Home Minister has given a statement about the whereabouts and background and everything. We want a clear investigation to be done on this. Whoever the culprit is, action has to be taken. So, even the justice has to be given to the family. This is what I could say.
Sir, Mr. Ishwarappa clearly took your name and said you instigated such groups to indulge in such incidents.
See, no, Ishwarappa is a very bad man. Mr. Siddaramaiah said that he doesn't have connection between his tongue and his brain. All nonsense he speaks. First sedition case has to be booked against him, and the BJP national leaders has to first sack him. If they want to keep him, let them keep. We are demanding that he has to be sacked. I don't want to connect between what we are fighting in the assembly last 5 days. We are sleeping in the assembly, we are protesting, we are demanding his sacking him, because no one in this country can pardon him. He has said that a national flag should be replaced with a trigger flag on the Red Fort. I don't know why the BJP leaders are still keeping mum. The national BJP leadership is keeping mum. Because we all are by the Constitution, we have taken an oath. We are working for the Constitution to be protected. Our national flag, our Rashtra Gita, and